babies are, and I would love for you to come on along with me on my journey in homesteading and learning about my chickens and doing all that fun stuff. Here are my splash pair. Got my naked necks, which my female is mad at me. I moved them yesterday. Nothing under you. Okay. But there's my naked necks. This, you see right here, I got these birds over here, they're next door. This is why you don't let chicken math get ahead of you, and you make sure that you have your pins first. Because I don't, and so these two are staying here until I can pull the cage down.